Airbnb air cover or external insurances, which is better? Which should you choose in 2024? I've been a host on Airbnb for the past 5 years and hosted hundreds and hundreds of guests across all my 13 listings. In that period, I've learned the importance of being properly protected from liability. It can literally make or break your business. In this video, I'm going to break down the difference between Airbnb air cover and external insurances. Airbnb cover is a protection insurance for hosts, and it also covers guests. It includes guest identity verification, reservation screening, £3 million or US dollars host damage protection, 1 million host liability insurance, and a 24-hour safety line. It also includes 1 million experiences liability insurance, so it covers you if a guest damages your property, your belongings, or anything during their stay. So if a guest brings in extra guests unauthorized, it will cover you. So anything you can think of, it will cover you. The way it works, Airbnb tries to claim every damage through the guest first. If the guest declines to pay, you are reimbursed for certain damages which they have caused. As you can see from these pictures, this is one of our properties which a guest had a party in and they damaged a lot of things. They caused a lot of havoc. So in our house rules, we list no parties allowed, no smoking inside the property, all these things. But the guests damaged the property, blocked the toilets, guests were smoking inside the house, the beds were broken, so everything was a mess. We reached out to the guests to make a claim and they declined any wrongdoings. But you can clearly see from the pictures, there was a massive party in there. So what do you do in those situations? We reach out to Airbnb and we filed in for a claim. So all the evidence was submitted to Airbnb. They assessed the situation and they had everything which they needed to see what the property was like before the guests checked in and what the state which the guests left it. So everything was filed, submitted the receipts, the invoices, which I spent like in terms of getting the property cleaned, in terms of replacing the furnitures, and we made a claim which was successful. So as I mentioned in this video, it's Airbnb air cover versus other external third-party insurances. There are other third-party insurances which are available, which cover the same things as what Airbnb air cover does. So it covers you for your content damages, exactly like Airbnb cover. So you need to have both insurances in place, especially if you are a host who lists your properties in other different platforms like VRBO, Booking.com, Expedia, and many more other booking platforms. So many hosts using this platform collect a deposit, which is good, but that doesn't mean you don't have to have insurances to cover you. So it's like when you go rent a car from a car rental company, you pay a deposit and you also get the car insured, which is the same as with your Airbnb. If you've got an Airbnb, you can actually acquire deposit from the guest and also get the insurances to cover you. So my suggestion for this video and for you if you're watching this video is to do both, especially if you use multiple platforms to get bookings. So that's it for this video. If you would like to learn more about how you can run a proper Airbnb business and make predictable income, get your property in the first 30 days or less, click on the link below and book a free consultation call with me. Thank you so much for listening. See you on the next one.